Okay class, let's continue on next page 113. In this page we have a listening activity, we have a conversation, a listening activity now about crime news. Let's see. This listening activity says listen to the sounds, then write true or false. Okay, you're going to listen some sounds and you write true or false. For example, letter A, you have three choices. It may be New Year's Eve, it can be a celebration, it could be fireworks for July 4th. In this case, July 4th is Americans' Independence Day, okay? Letter B, it can be happy. He must be happy or he may have heard some good news. Letter C, it can be a cat. A thief might be trying to steal something from the house or it must be a cat. D, it might be a restaurant, it must be a library, or someone may be cooking dinner. Okay, just pay attention and try to choose the correct one.
Unit 7, Track 62, Activity 7. A. B. Yay! C. D.
Okay, now let's see. True or false? For example, letter A. Let's listen once again and pay attention.
Unit 7, Track 62, Activity 7. A.
So, what is that? In letter A, we have 1. It might be New Year's Eve. Yeah, it's a possibility. True. Okay. It can be a celebration. It can. Negative. No celebration. False. Okay. 3. It could be fireworks for the 4th of July. Fireworks. Yeah, true. Hey, mister, two answers in true. Okay, it says right, true or false. No, about what you listen. Letter B, let's continue.
B. Yay! C.
No, yay! He can be happy? No happy? I don't think so. False. He must be happy? Yeah, it's a possibility. Yeah, must. Okay, true. He may hear some good news. Yeah, also true. Okay, let's continue with letter C.
D.
Okay, let's continue with letter C. It can be a cat. Hmm? Yeah, a cat opening a door. No, it's impossible. It can be a cat. Okay. Let's see. It can be. Okay, I'm sorry. I get confused. Let's continue with letter C. It can be a cat. Yes. A thief might be trying to steal something from the house. Yeah, someone opened the door. Next, it must be a cat. False. Okay, letter D.
E.
Okay, what about letter D? It might be a restaurant. It's a possibility. It must be a library. No, never. False. Someone may be cooking dinner. Yeah, it's another possibility. So the last one is true. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Let's continue. No, in this part the idea was to listen some sounds and try to guess. No, could be this sentence or that sentence. Okay, they have two choices. No, true and one false. Now let's continue. Here I have a activity number 8 says choose the correct words. Yeah, between Jack and calf. I'm going to read and you try to answer. Hey, look, that's Andy Samberg, the actor. Who? Andy Samberg. He's in Brooklyn Nine-Nine on TV. No, it can or it must be him. No. Aha, can. It can be him. Why not? He might or he can live near here. Okay, might. Uh-huh. No way. Andy Samberg lives in California. Well, he must or could be here making a movie. A possibility could. Okay. He can or might wear glasses in real life. Hey, look, he's coming this way. Okay, hey, look. Let me see. He must or he might. Mm, okay, I get confused. I'm sorry. Let me see. He can or may be Andy. He's wearing glasses. Uh-huh. He can. Okay. He must or might wear glasses in real life. Hey, look, he's coming this way. Another possibility might. Excuse me, I don't know this area. I must or can be lost. Must. Perfect. Can you help me? Of course. Are you Andy Samberg? The actor? Yes, I am. Do you watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine? You can miss it. No te lo puedes perder. Okay? Well, now we have this conversation. There are three participants, no? Jack, Kath, and Andy. So this conversation is going to be done in our classes. So please practice. Okay? Here is a complete conversation. Let's continue with interface. Think of a friend. What are they doing now? Write sentences giving it evidence and using modal verb. Then discuss your sentences with a partner. What is Carlos doing now? He must be on vacation in Key West because he went there on Sunday. He might be at the beach. So another ideas you're going to write and then you're going to tell to the class. Okay? Here you have two activities. Okay? Now let's continue with this listening activity. Crime news. Here we have a jewelry, a bank, and I mean it's a museum. No? Listen to the three news stories. Put the robberies in order you hear them. Art theft, jewelry theft, bank robbery. So in this part you're going to listen and you're going to write the order in which happen those events. Okay? Pay attention.
Unit 7. Track 63. Activity 1.
Three men have been found guilty today of committing the Mayfair bank robbery in London in December. The three men, Peter Johnson, Matthew Brooks, and Lawrence Gordon, robbed the bank on May 15 and stole a large sum of cash, over £75,000 in fact. Police searched for the robbers for 3 days before catching them at Johnson's flat, North London. All the stolen money was returned to the bank. The police also arrested Johnson's wife, Harriet. Mrs. Johnson was found innocent by the court today, but the three men have been sent to prison for 10 years.
A famous painting by artist Andy Warhol was stolen from the Egmont Hotel, New York this afternoon, but only for half an hour. The painting belongs to movie star Paul Chambers, who is staying at the hotel while making a movie. Mr. Chambers discovered the painting was missing when he returned to his hotel room after work. Security guards searched the hotel and after 30 minutes discovered the painting, which is worth $3 million, in a cabinet.
Police caught and arrested Horatio Mandeville, the world's most famous jewel thief, after he tried to steal diamonds worth over $10 million from a Paris jewelry shop. The robber broke into the shop late last night and escaped with the diamonds. However, police investigating the robbery were able to use CCTV cameras to follow him across Paris to a flat where he was arrested early this morning. Mandeville, who has been guilty of robbery 5 times before, was only released from prison 2 weeks ago.
Okay, what was the first event? Art theft, jewelry theft, or bank robbery? Of course, bank robbery was the first event. The second event, the jewelry or the art theft? Exactly, the art theft is the second one, and the last one was the robbery theft. Okay, let's continue. Now it says, listen again and answer the questions. Where was the bank robbery? What happened to the bank robbers? How long was the painting missing for? Who did the painting belong to? What did Horatio Mandeville steal? How many times has he been found guilty before? Okay, now let's see. What do you have to do? You are going to listen and try to answer. Okay, try to answer. Also here we have another one. So listen again and complete the sentences. Those activities number 2 and number 3 you need to do by yourself. Okay, so here you can take a screenshot and use these questions and the audio. Here also you can take a screenshot and try to do the activity. Okay boys, okay girls, thank you so much. A pleasure to do videos for you. Bye bye.